Hey there, folks. If you're looking to make sending and receiving money as easy as texting a friend, then adding Zelle to your bank account is a game changer. I'm excited to walk you through this step by step, so you can get set up in no time. First off, what's Zelle? It's a secure digital payment network that lets you transfer money instantly between bank accounts, and it's supported by many major banks like Chase, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo. But before we dive in, make sure your bank is Zelle compatible. You can check this on the Zelle website or your bank's app. Let's get started with the basics. Step 1. Download the Zelle app from your phone's app store, or if your bank has integrated Zelle, open your bank's mobile app instead. Once you have it open, you'll need to sign up. If you're using the standalone Zelle app, enter your email address or mobile number that's linked to your bank account. Your bank might send you a verification code, so keep an eye on your email or texts. Step 2. Link your bank account. This is crucial. Zelle will ask for your bank's name and your account details. Don't worry, it's all encrypted for security. You'll probably need to log in to your bank's website or app to authorize the connection. Once that's done, Zelle will verify your account, which might take a few minutes. Now, for step 3. Set up your profile. Add a profile picture and verify your identity if prompted. This helps prevent fraud. After that, you can start adding contacts from your phone book to send money quickly. Remember, always double-check the recipient's details to avoid mistakes. One quick tip. If you run into issues, like if your bank isn't supported, you might need to use Zelle through a debit card instead, but that's less common. Also, keep your app updated for the latest security features. There you have it. You're now ready to use Zelle like a pro. It's a fantastic tool for splitting bills or sending gifts. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you next time.